learned single judge found judgment in the case of Rakesh Kumar Supra to be in conflict with other judgments. Full stop. In the case of Rakesh Kumar Supra, learned single judge held writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India to be maintainable against the authority or the person discharging public duty only when issue of public law is involved. Full stop. The writ petition would not be maintainable if claim is arising out of a private contract between the two parties. Full stop. The aforesaid view was taken to be in conflict with the earlier judgment of this court and accordingly, matter has been referred to the larger bench. Full stop. The questions referred to the larger bench is about maintainability of the writ petition against the authority or the person discharging public duty public function which may not fall within the definition of state or its authority under Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. The issue aforesaid has been considered by the Apex Court at length recently in the case of Ramakrishnan Mission and another versus Kago Kunya and others, 2018-16 SCC 343. Full stop. In the said case, the Apex Court has considered all the earlier judgment on the issue. Full stop. The judgment in the case Supra was given after considering the scope of Article 12 so as Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. It is not only after analyzing the fact of the case but the position of the law evolved by the Apex Court in the earlier judgments on maintainability of the writ petition. Full stop. For maintainability of the writ petition, twin test is to be satisfied. Full stop. The first test is about the public function public duty by an authority or a person, and the second test is about the challenge to the action falls in the domain of public law. Full stop. Accordingly, the writ petition would not be maintainable against the authority or the person referred under Article 226 of the Constitution of India merely for the reason of discharge of public function public duty unless an issue of public law is evolved. Full stop. The word public law has been elaborately discussed by the Apex Court in the case of K. Saxena versus International Commission on Irrigation and Drainage and others, 2015 4 SCC 570. Full stop. It was held that private law remedies would not be enforceable through the extraordinary jurisdiction of the High Court. Full stop. Private law is a part of legal system under the common law that involves relationship between individuals such as law of contract or torts. Full stop. It was held that even if writ petition is maintainable against an authority or person, before issuing it, court needs to satisfy itself that the action of the authority or the person is in the domain of public law distinguished from private law. Full stop.